Ahoy, mates!
Hi!
And welcome on board Royal Caribbean's Anthem of the Seas. We're here in our stateroom. It's an interior, but with a twist. A virtual balcony.
Ooh!
Da da da. We are also traveling with someone who is staying in the single-person version of this room, a studio interior with virtual balconies. Now that'll be in a separate video, separate room tour for that, which we'll be sure to link to, so you want to check that one out. But for now, we'd like to give you the full encompassing tour of this stateroom, this category, show you everything it has to offer and all the things that you can enjoy inside of it. Hello, record-playing gal. Here on deck 13. And as you see, it actually says it on the room placard. These are different than other Royal Caribbean ships we've seen. And even has a little map to tell you what side of the ship you're on, starboard side. So 631 on deck 13 here.
For the ship, they do put your room cards right in here when you board, so you don't get them at a desk or anything. They'll be here in a sealed envelope, and you get to see pass cards, and that's how you open the door.
Yep.
Just so you know.
Easy peasy. You just tap the C-Pass card right on the touch point here, and you're good to enter. So, welcome into the room, which is very square.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's just this one, because there's no other rooms around us.
Right, so we're kind of like just in the middle of a hallway, so there's staterooms right here, there's staterooms right here, and we're just kind of like one little square in the middle, and there's nothing connecting it, no other rooms that we're connected to. So I'm thinking this room's gonna be like really good in terms of sound.
Yeah.
Like, I don't think there's gonna be stuff disturbing us, but we get like this kind of unique I mean, a square isn't unique, but it kind of is
for a cabin or a stateroom.
Yeah, but I think it's making it like a range really, like I'm really digging the flow of this room.
Very cool.
Yeah.
So right when we come in, of course, we have our deadbolt lock. We have our peephole with a cover here that you can open up. And then these magnets that they're putting on every Royal Caribbean ship. Sleeping off the Venture, please do not disturb. Or out catching thrills, please make up my room. Just stick that on the outside of the door there to let the stateroom attendant know your preference. And emergency information with your muster drill station, your assembly station. So we'll have that coming up here in a little bit. Of course, right when you come into the room, we have the master light control and the little slot for you to put your C-Pass card in to operate all the electronics in the room, AC lights and everything. If you want to keep it running while you're gone, you can take some, like maybe a credit card or some kind of other card shaped like this and put it in. Take your C-Pass card with you and it'll keep it going the whole time. They usually don't mind that too much. When we turn here, we have this nice big round porthole looking mirror.
Yeah, with a light around it.
Built-in light, so that's nice. Down below, of course, is the desk when the chair has a handle, which I think is fun. Comes out, and the garbage can under there as well. Looks like just a writing desk here, no drawers or anything like that that comes out. That's all just one piece. Remotes, two of them, one for the TV, one for the virtual balcony. And there's actually a little sensor up there. I'll show you in just a minute too. Now we do have these little cubby holes that you could maybe store a watch or something small inside of. We have two standard outlets, European outlet, and then these are two USB ports it looks like. So that's the desk area, vanity area, kind of a combo pack. Here we have the TV. Nice big size, good picture. It does not come out from the wall. It doesn't tilt, it doesn't pivot, it doesn't swivel, nothing. So it's affixed there, but points right at the bed, so that should be okay. Shouldn't have too much issue with that. Down below that we have a small pull-out drawer with the hair dryer. I like these handles. The hardware on them works good. They're nice, kind of bedazzled. This is a gigantic. What is it? Oh, I thought this was a safe. This is the fridge, but you have a. You can lock it. What?
Oh, you don't have to lock it.
Oh, mini bar. Yeah, but you don't have to lock it, I guess. Interesting. So maybe if you're going to, I don't know, have some alcoholic beverages that you don't want someone.
I guess maybe if you have alcohol in the store, but maybe you're also traveling with kids and you don't want them to get into it. I don't know.
There is instructions though here on how to lock and open that. Never seen something like that before.
That's interesting.
It is cold though, and pretty sizable.
Yeah, I actually like it when they don't have a bunch of drawer stuff in
It
here.
looks like maybe, oh no, that's screwed in. I thought that might have flipped down, but
I think that's the freezer part,
yeah.
or the cooling agent part.
So interesting.
Oh, it'll do its job.
It'll work.
It'll work.
And then on this side we have a drawer with a bunch of books and information, and then the other drawers as well. Nice slide and soft close. Gotta like that. There's some nice updated features on this Quantum class, which we've never been on. That's why we're so impressed by everything.
I know this. You can tell everything in here is in really good condition. It's not worn. It's pretty modern looking. Nothing looks dated. I like it.
Like it a lot. And I didn't mention the chair that you're sitting in. With a little pillow. One there, one here as well. And then that's it for this area. There's nothing else around it. Just the TV. Of course, the AC dispenser is up on top there. Now we turn to the virtual balcony area. So this is a live feed outside of the ship. You can actually see there's a truck going right there over to Manhattan. This is what we would be looking at if we were out on deck looking outside the ship. And yeah, you can turn that off. So if you don't want the light at night bothering you, just use this little remote here. You can turn it off, and it actually has volume too.
Oh, really?
Which doesn't seem, I don't know, the TV remote was being weird too. I think our remotes are a little...
We need new batteries.
I don't know what's going on. They're not really working too well. We're going to play around with it more, but just know that there is a remote that has volume. It also had channel, so I don't know if that will give you maybe a different view, different side of the ship. We'll try to show that later on in one of our daily vlogs once we get it working.
Yeah.
It's just not, for some reason, it's not doing it right now. And they do dress it out with the curtains here, which is nice. You can also just pull these across and block it out that way. So if you take them back, it's just a wall. It's all a facade. But a very cool one. Making our way downtown, over towards the bed area. Look at this.
That's a big old closet.
Big hanging closet, wardrobe space with 2 drawers down below as well. And a little nightside table with 2 cubbies. Bedside lamp, which is separate from the master lighting, so just the switch.
Is that storage above the bed?
Look at that.
Whoa.
So yeah, it just flips right up and locks it, or not lock, but it won't fall. It's, hydraulic lift. 1 and 2 for each side, and that is soft close as well.
That's like the perfect place to put like our snorkels and stuff.
Yes, lots of storage for this
so
little
cool.
tiny room. I'm loving it. So again, same thing over here. Bedside lamp. Oh, additional pillow. Wash rags. Linens. Same situation there. Bedside lamp that turns on and off. Another master light, so just like the one by the entry door, and a standard plug, which is great because probably one of the most frequent complaints about staterooms and cabins is that there's no plugs by the bed.
So there's one on this side. Was there one on that side?
There was not, so just the one on this side.
But still, at least you get one.
Yeah, you get one standard outlet.
Cool.
So that's nice. Phone here, which actually has a video screen on it. Looks like you got the time and the ship information, the date. You can touch screen for menu, so I guess if you want to order some food. And then the 2 cubbies down below, as well as like another one on the floor. I don't really know what that would serve, but
you take your shoes in there.
Yeah, maybe. Not my shoes, they're too big. Then you have a wardrobe on this side as well. So additional hanging space, smaller hanging space, because this is the actual safe inside. So it's, decently deep. It's
not big enough for a computer.
Can't put a computer in there, but
an iPad though.
Maybe iPad, cash for sure, jewelry, things like
Passport.
that. And then you have a cubby space there, a cubby space there, and then we have our stuff sitting right there, but it's just a big open area, so lots of things you can put inside.
So we have 2 closets.
Yes, there's some information on the safe here, how to operate it and put in your own code and do all that right on the inside. These are not soft close, so those will those will knock if you let them go. And then drawer number 1, drawer number 2, huge drawer.
Those ones are big. The ones over on that side were smaller, but the one on this side is big.
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 We have a full-length mirror as well in between the entry door and the bathroom door. We'll also find the bathroom light. This is a big thing, believe it or not. It's the smallest thing, but it's a big thing. On a lot of Royal Caribbean ships in their staterooms, of course it's not laid out like this, it's more like long ways, and the light will be on the other side of the door, so you'll go in the bathroom and then it's like, oh no, I gotta come over here, and it's hard to show, but
it's such a small thing, but just having the light switch on the opening side helps.
Right when you go in, it's right there. And then above that is a thermostat, which is actually digital, which you don't normally see. This is a Honeywell digital thermostat, so that's nice.
Yeah,
control the temperature. Pretty big step up into the bathroom area, so you'll definitely want to watch your step there. It does have some hanging hooks on the back of the door, but look at the tile work. This is so cool. Looks like little bricks. We have our toilet and trash can and brush and hand towels and regular towels, and then we have a space here where you can plug in a shaver, and we have shelves, 3 shelves on that side, your drinking glasses, and then nice vanity countertop area with a sink, which is nicely done. I like those. Nice backsplash tile work, and then soaps and towels, additional trash can, paper, all those things down below. And then maybe my favorite thing about this room is this shower, which has a full glass door and it opens both ways. So that's nice, but not the sliding circular that we usually have. It has the footrest, which we did find out is for shaving. We've always wondered. And there's actually a hanging rod inside here too.
It's a big shower.
Got a handle, hair and body wash 2-in-1 right there. Then the controls for the shower temperature and flow on this side. The head is removable. You can take that down, use it there. It's also adjustable, so you can flip this back and then slide it down to your appropriate area. There's a fan and a light inside here to keep it well lit, and the drain down below. So I'm 6 foot tall, 250. I'm a big guy, I got big shoulders.
Look how tall, look how much headspace you have.
I got all the room in the world.
I don't think you've ever had this much before. It's a party, Anthem party.
This is great for me. I mean, I always have room in the standard ones, but look at that. I put that up there. I'm lathering. I'm washing.
Like, I mean, we've never had this much room in a shower before.
Not even close.
Look at how much floor room.
Yeah.
I mean, like.
Look at these size 14 wides in here, and there's still plenty of room.
Like.
To put it in perspective, if you haven't seen the other ones, but that's circular, so the whole thing is a circle. So it would be like about like this.
Yeah.
About like this, and it would be here, and I would be kind of like, I have room to do it, but look at, I mean, this is just so much better.
I feel like you're getting at least like 1/3 more shower. So this is you're gonna take a shower every time because you can.
Yes, that's awesome. And then right to the bed. Woohoo! All right, that's gonna do it. What a nice room, though, right?
I'm really liking it. I mean, we just got here and stuff, but this might be one of my favorite rooms ever. I mean, like, other than a suite, that doesn't count. Yeah. But this, in terms of interior or just ocean view, this is a nice room.
Very nice. And of course, we haven't slept in it yet, but just being in here, there's a lot of people coming through because, you know, it's the room's just open. I haven't heard a peep. I haven't heard a single noise outside that door. Yeah,
and we'll try to keep you updated as we're sailing and let you know, but like, it's like we don't have a neighbor like on our walls.
No.
So
that's pretty cool.
That's really nice.
Really like this room. Looking forward to that shower. Looking forward to this view as we go through our journey. Although I'm quite enjoying Manhattan.
Right.
Could just stay like that as far as I'm concerned, but
Caribbean's nice too.
It will be nice seeing the Caribbean. So hopefully you've enjoyed this tour and it gave you a great idea of what these rooms are like here on Anthem of the Seas. And like we mentioned, there will be the studio version of this room as well for just one passenger in a separate video. We'll be doing a tour of that. So we'll link to that. Everything's going to be in the playlist like always. So Anthem of the Seas playlist, be sure to check it out. There's going to be like 20-something videos in it.
It's going to be a lot.
It's 11 nights sailing.
It's a big playlist.
So stay tuned for all of that. Stay tuned for the daily vlogs because, you know, we do these tours. We're on day 1 right now. So we showed you the room. But then as we travel and things happen, like we get this working or we find out some more information, we'll have that for you. So you want to be sure to check those out. We hope we will see you there. But if you're interested in booking one of these nice rooms here on Anthem of the Seas or any of Royal Caribbean's fine ships, please reach out to us as travel agents. We can make that happen, and our services are always free, complimentary. So we love to help in any way we can. It's an announcement. Sorry for that interruption. Announcement over. We hope you enjoyed this tour. We hope we'll see you around for the rest of the Anthem of the Seas playlist. But until next time, we're going to sign off.
Happy travels
from Manhattan.
Ba 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 da ba.
Bam, bam, bam,
do do do. Go Knicks.
Day 1 while we were here. Okay. Bye.